Right, we're back with pages 6 and 7, and these are easy ones compared to page 5. So well done for getting through page 5. Okay, so pages 6 and 7, these are just using 2 different pattern papers, and then you've got horizontal pockets. They're the same size, same depth, and it's just pulling the patterns across on opposite pages. So page map here, page 6, page 7, you've got your hinge sides there. Horizontal pockets are both the same depth each time, so that's how we're working from there. So when you're laying it out, again, when I'm doing pages like the mirror pages, it's easier to lay them out together. So just to get an idea, let's just pop these. Right, so page 7, that's at the top, and you've got a larger pocket there. We've got page 7 in the middle, and you can see I'm just putting it up to the top end of the black card. I don't need to cover that bit. And then the bottom is that one there, and then it's reverse patterns the other side. So that one there, that one here, and then you've got that one there like that. And then obviously afterwards, once you've finished making your album, go through and see what you can put on the bits that are, you know, a bit plain, or you think you need to put something else on there. So I'm just going to stick these together now. I'm going to start with page 6. And the other reason I haven't put anything too bulky on page 6 is because page 5 is actually quite a bulky page. So I've just kept this relatively simple. So that one will go on the top there. Okay, and I'll stick my black card pocket. You see okay?
Oh. Yep, oh.
I was just seeing if you were awake.
I was. Who knew? Who knew?
Who knew? Okay, that's that one there. And then that's going to be that one there. And if you find it difficult with this, just undo these. Do it like that and you'll find it easier. It's flatter. Another top tip, but common sense actually. I should have done it in the first place.
So nothing.
I know. It's just the way you looked at me. I thought, I think that was that one there. And then this is the pocket as well.
So just got to make sure it's at the bottom, is it? Not the...
Yeah. So make sure that's going to be your, yeah, that's the bottom of your page. So we just hoik these off.
Okay, oh, the sound will come back in now.
Just taking the sticky labels off. Okay, and that is page 6 and 7 finished.